This series of videos has covered meditation, how to do it and why. Using just two simple techniques, how you can quiet your mind and attain expanded states of awareness as described since ancient times. In video number 20, we covered how to use hyperfocus to relive prior day events and to become an observer of trigger emotion reaction cascades. Today, we're going to cover how to neutralize the triggers. The ability to hyper-focus on previous events, slow them down, and relive them across all thoughts and senses is key. With repetition, this reveals patterns in the cascades that recur throughout your life. Reliving these cascades across time reveals insights as to their origins. Often, the source of a cascade is an intense event that occurred earlier in life when unprepared for an experience. Reliving this originating event as an adult in slow motion allows you to explore alternatives as an older and wiser being. This process of reconsidering scenarios with different potential outcomes dissipates the charge around your trigger. In the next video, we'll cover how to change the unconscious reactions that result from a cascade. Put your questions below and subscribe for future releases. Until next time.